Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and hit the bell notification before you leave, and let's get started. So yeah, let's get into it. What I'm going to do today is an unboxing, so I'm going to show you a couple things that I have tried I'm going to show you a couple things that I've either purchased recently or throughout the year, because I haven't really, I guess the year kind of just started, but kind of the end of last year, beginning of this year, things I wanted to try or things that I got as gifts from people, either for Christmas, things like that. I kind of talked about a little bit of the stuff that I got for Christmas, but I did get some other things that I didn't show, and I have purchased stuff since then, so I just wanted to show you. So this is the Sephora Favorites little thing that I got. I'm really excited about it. It's the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Balm Lip Kit. It's got 5 like really high-end brands lip balms in it. So I'm gonna try this, and I'm not really sure how it's gonna work out because I've never done it before, but I'm gonna try to self-tan. I'm really pale, so we'll see how that goes. I got a little self-tanning pad too from Ulta Beauty. It's the little self-tanner pad that has little flamingos on it, but I got the Ulta Beauty Bronze Glow Light to Medium Tinted Mist. So I'm going to try this out. We'll see how it works. He's just talking and things like that. So yeah. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to try to self-tan. Might do it in a video, probably not, or I may just show you how it looks in a video randomly. But yeah, so I also got this Line and Defined eye tape from e.l.f. I'm really excited to try this out. You can like put it like right here to like help you. So I'm really excited to try this. This is the dry makeup brush cleaner from Jaclyn. Basically what you do is you like swirl your brush on it to like kind of not like clean it, but it's got a sponge in there that kind of takes off the product. So when I'm doing my videos, I can switch to different colors without my things still being like dirty from whatever color I used before, instead of having to go in with a different brush if I didn't want to. So really excited to try this. So I also got this Perricone MD No Makeup Insta Blur Primer. It's something that I got from boxycharm, I believe. Not from a box, but from like a boxy pop-up. Or they do your points. I don't remember if this was a pop-up or a points kind of situation, but yeah. So I got this. I'm going to try it out. It's supposed to like reduce the appearance of pores and redness. Pores, have both of those, so I was kind of excited and wanted to try it. I used, I think this was from the Boxy Pop-Up also, the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I also got the Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder Golden Hour. So this is kind of has like a sheen to it, I guess, so it's supposed to make you look more illuminated and not like glittery per se, but like just like you have hydration. Even though it's a powder, it's supposed to make you look hydrated. Since I got pregnant with him, my skin kind of changed from oily, I was so oily, to like combination dry. So I'm kind of trying new products to like help with that. I know I got powders, but I still kind of want to see if I still need to powder my face or not, so I kind of wanted to try those out. So I got a replacement of the Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. I love this stuff. I've gotten like 3 replacements of this. Like, it's like something that I got from boxycharm a long time ago, and I really loved it, so I've kept purchasing it from like pop-up, Boxy Pop-Up, and things like that. If you want to sign up for boxycharm, I have a link down below. So yeah, I think that's everything that I got from, oh no, one more thing from the Boxy Pop-Up. Everything else I think is from like Ulta or Sephora. I also got samples and stuff too. So I got the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, so I also wanted to try this, so I got that from the pop-up shop. So I think the rest, like I said, is from Ulta or Sephora. I got the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Everybody raves about this. Tati and a few other YouTubers that I watch rave about this. So I really wanted to try it. It's really inexpensive, so I figured why not. So also something that I've heard people recently talk about is the e.l.f. 16-hour Cammo Concealer. So I wanted to try it out. I think they came out with a hydrating one, which I wish I would have waited and got that one, but that's the normal one. Everybody kind of has this or that, feels this or that way about this foundation, so I really wanted to try it, and it was on sale at Ulta, so I was like, why not? It's the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation. It's the matte one. Hopefully that doesn't mess with my skin and like make it too dry. If it does, I'll try to moisturize really good before and use a hydrating primer possibly, and see how this works on me. So for some of these I may do like reviews on them individually, or I may incorporate them into videos. I also got this Living Proof Dry Shampoo, and also I got one from Not Your Mother's brand. That's what it's called, Not Your Mother's. That I'm trying out the Not Your Mother's one right now, so I don't have it in here with me. It's in my bathroom. Something that I really liked for a while that was like one of my first favorite primers to fill my pores was the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This was, I believe, something that I got from BoxyCharm with like my points. But I really liked it, so I got it again. I've had the old one for like 2 or 3 years, so I'm like, probably not good anymore, so I probably don't need to be using it on my face really. So I also got the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Face Kit, so this is like mini versions of the stuff. I got the Dew Primer, the Juicy Gloss, and Face Eyegloss. It just came in like a little kit so you could kind of try everything before you bought the full size. So maybe I'll try the Dew Primer with the matte foundation because it'll make me dewy. You know, maybe it'll hydrate me more before I put on a matte foundation. We'll see. I may try these together. I don't know yet. Maybe do like a full face drugstore kind of situation. Let me know if you want to see something like that. I've done that before, I believe, or I've written it down to do it. So if you do want to see something like that, let me know. So before you self-tan, you're supposed to exfoliate. And so I got this Ulta Beauty Lilac Breeze Body Scrub exfoliator, so I figured this would be good to exfoliate my body before I self-tan. And then everything else is a couple samples that I got, or I used my points to get, except for this one last thing. Sorry, it was under everything. I got the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2, so I liked Volume 1, so I was like, I gotta try Volume 2 and see if I like it. So I'm really excited to try that. I got this Confidence in a Gel Lotion little thing for like 100 points from Sephora. It's a lotion from It Cosmetics. I also got this Priming Moisturizer from Dr. Jart, and this Beauty Blender Pore Minimizing Primer. I used my points to get this also. So I did find a couple other things that aren't samples that I also got that I forgot about. So I got these off of Amazon. They're I really love the Broadway Vita Lip glosses, which they're kind of hydrating on the lips. They're more than a gloss. They like look really glossy on the lips, but they also really hydrate. I've only tried the rosehip oil and the mint one, but there's other flavors, so I got them all. There's argan oil, coconut oil, and mango butter that I haven't tried yet, so I got this pack that has them in there, and I wanted to try them one day. Maybe not on camera, but I could try them and maybe they could end up in a favorites video or something in the future. I also got from the pop-up shop, I thought this was so cute. It's a clip that says glam on it, so I can like clip my hair back whenever I do my makeup and stuff. I do have other clips, but my name on here is Glam Girl Gray, so glam. Thought that that would work perfectly with my name, so thought that would be cute. And when I bought some of this stuff on Ulta, I got like this kit from BioLage. It's like a bunch of hair stuff. And now the rest of the samples that I got a couple samples from Avon from my grandma. They're for the Green Goddess facial oil, so I'm definitely excited to try that. And for the Bounce foundation from Beauty Blender, the Beauty Blender Bounce concealer, and the Becca brightening concealer. That's all I have for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and sorry if you heard him in the background. He's just kind of playing and kind of crying at the same time. I think he's trying to fall asleep and he needs me to help him, I guess. So needs me to help him, so I'm gonna go do that after I do my outro. So sorry if you can hear him. Mama problems. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are @GlamGirlGray. See you next time.